So another place to stay healthy and, well, eat healthy in town is Snap Kitchen. They also do pre-prepared meals, but at their flagship location here at the Triangle, they actually have a salad bar that's really cool, I hear. So I'm going to go check that out. Okay, so I'm here with Laurie Berson, and she's been kind enough to meet with us today and give us an idea of what Snap Kitchen is all about. Behind us here, I see that you have a big prep kitchen. What's going on back here?
We're here at Snap Kitchen's Triangle location, which is our flagship. It's where all the magic happens, where we put in all the work of making restaurant quality food from locally sourced food, and we put it together in meals and individually packaged meals: breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, cold pressed juices. So back here in the salad bar we have Josie and staff preparing fresh produce that will either go into our juices or our salads. So we've not only done the work of making restaurant quality food, but we also have the nutrition component going, where we have a registered dietitian who works together with the chef, and it makes it very easy for anyone who is just trying to eat healthy, or for anyone who has specific dietary needs, to come in and to navigate our store and to grab a meal and go. For example, here on the crispy chicken, we have these icons so you can see that we have gluten-free, we have carb conscious, we have sodium conscious, we have non-dairy, and we have paleo items as well as vegetarian items, which aren't seen on this label, but you can see on some other ones. So we've really tried to do the work to make it very easy, no matter what your interests are as far as dietary guidelines, for people to come in and grab what they need and go and have a great meal at their fingertips. With Snap's cold pressed juices, you can put them together in a full day's worth of juice. We have several different programs that you can choose from for a full day of juicing, or a couple days of juicing if you like.
So somebody that has heard about these cleanse diets and that type of thing, you could do that through your fresh juices here if you wanted to.
Absolutely. Our registered dietitian likes to refer to them as liquid nutrition, and you can choose to do 1 or 3 days, and it certainly is a way to boost your nutrient absorption and to help you feel clean and get started on a path to feeling good and towards your goals.
Okay, great. And I noticed that you also have a challenge program that would involve your food. Is that a different program?
We do. We have a 21-day commit program, and anyone can sign up for that. It is a way to help people sort of recalibrate portions and the number of times that you eat throughout the day. So our 21-day commit is designed to be an experiential process for someone to get back to eating the right portions for that person, eating the right food combinations, and also eating 5 times a day. That would be 3 meals and 2 snacks a day. And all of those things combined help boost metabolism, help keep energy levels consistent throughout the day, and also can help people work towards weight loss goals.
So another big thank you to Laurie for showing me what Snap Kitchen is all about, and also she gave me a great ahi tuna salad, freshly made right there, and a drink for lunch. So thank you, Laurie, very much for that. I'm going to give it a try. Anyway, what makes Snap Kitchen different is that they not only have the prepackaged healthy meals, they also have the juices that are there, so you could do one of the liquid diet or liquid nutrition programs. And then they also, at their flagship locations, which they have a flagship location at the Triangle in Austin, which is where I was at, and they also have one in Houston. They have at those locations the fresh salad bar. So you can go in there for a quick lunch or dinner, and they'll make one of these fresh salads for you right there in front of you to order. If it's or if you're going to one of the other locations, they'll still have all of the prepackaged freshly made meals, and they can also ship the salads to those locations if you pre-order them, but just keep that in mind. In any case, it was great to learn about Snap Kitchen, another healthy place to eat. Cheers!